Hey guys, Carlos Perez here, and I'm doing a video because I've been getting a lot of calls, emails, and texts about primary trade lines. And I told people that we weren't doing them anymore because it didn't make any sense to do it. But with all the calls we've been getting, we decided to go out and buy a tape, and we have 104 trade lines totaling up to $860,000. And we will be selling primary trade lines, not authorized users, primary trade lines that will add to your credit. It'll show as a closed account, but it'll give you the history and the amounts you need in order to boost your score. So these are like the account open dates, some in 2010, 11, 12, 13, all dates, the amounts of the loans, when it was charged off the amount. But basically, you'll be actually putting, for example, this $28,000 loan on your credit that went back to 2013. So you're getting a 10-year-old loan showing paid as agreed, complete payment history, showing it's completely paid off. And that's going to boost your credit tremendously. All lines are sold at 10% off, and there's $1,000 minimum. So minimum, you have to get $10,000 worth of loans to add to your credit. That's our minimum. There is no maximum. You can have however many you want. These are all from Lending Club, as you see here, Web Bank Lending Club. So these are consumer finance loans. So I went in there, they got a loan, they didn't pay it. We bought the tape, and now we're going to be posting these to your credit. And as you can see, there's 104 accounts, see down here, and all various amounts, various dates that they were open. So again, everything is 10%. So if you wanted this one for 28,000, you would pay $2,800. That would post to your credit. You wanted this one for 17,500, 1,700, and our minimum is $1,000, which is $10,000 worth of loans. So if someone was getting this one right here for 377 and maybe, well, there aren't a lot of small ones, but if there were like three of these for 377, we would bundle that together and we would give you those three loans on your credit, showing that they were all paid off. Most people are going to want the large ones. So this is going to be on a first come, first serve basis. And as you can see, there's only 104, which technically that means that we can deal with 104 clients or, clients that are purchasing multiple accounts. And guys, these are going to stick. It's going to take roughly 5 to 20 days for it to post on your credit. It's going to show it's closed, and we're going to give you a complete payment history. So it'll show your complete history of paying this loan on time. So I don't know what else to say. Like I said, I, I listened to you guys. I heard what you wanted. We bought a new tape. We are going to have another one probably in like 4 months. We'll pick up. It's going to be roughly around like $40 million of credit cards. And again, everything will be 10% off. That includes us posting it to your credit and monitoring it to make sure that it stays on your credit. So if you're interested, reach out to me at 760-422-3052 by phone or text, and I will be able to get the agreement over to you, the paperwork. You'll sign it, make your payment, and we'll schedule you to get posted. So again, all lines are 10% of the value. Our minimum is $1,000, which is $10,000 worth of loans. It takes 5 to 20 days to post, and it will be on all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So for all you people out there that have been looking for primary trade lines in order to boost your credit, now's the time to get at me. There's 104 available. When we pick up the credit card tape, that's going to be closer to 2,300. So there'll be a lot more opportunities. But again, those are credit cards and not consumer finance loans. So if you want to have a good balance, so when they pull your credit, you want to see, revolving credit. You want to see credit cards. You want to see a lot of different mixtures. So if you're interested, you're ready to go, you want to get this thing going, reach out to me ASAP, because once these are gone, they're gone. Once we get the new tape and those are gone, they're gone. We're not going to be carrying just inventory constantly now. We just want to make it so that people can get what they need to get in order to boost their credit. And you guys know now the way the interest rates are going up and the way credit card limits are being cut, it would be beneficial for you to be able to show that you're responsible and you've paid off loans like this before. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. Again, reach out to me, 760-422-3052. And let's make 2023 the year that you boost your credit and make it as strong as possible.